Telling someone you're sorry can take a lot of courage. But if you've done something that hurt your boyfriend's feelings, a sincere apology is a good first step to patching things up. To make the apology effective and meaningful, start by taking responsibility for your part in whatever happened. Say you're sorry in a clear, direct way and be specific about what you're apologizing for. For instance, say something like, "I'm sorry I snapped at you like that this morning. I know it sounded way too harsh." It's okay to explain why you behaved the way that you did, but try not to make excuses for yourself. For example, you could say something like, "I was in a really bad mood because I was stressing about exams, but I shouldn't have taken it out on you." As tough as it might be if your boyfriend doesn't accept your apology right away, try to give him space and respect his feelings. If he's really hurt, it might take him some time to move on from what happened. After you've apologized, show you really mean it by not repeating the behavior and following through on any promises you made. For example, if you promised your boyfriend that you wouldn't snap at him the next time you're in a bad mood, do your best to stick to your word.